Ever wish your simple doodle could turn into a webtoon-style artwork? Well, now you can directly on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using Sketch to Image in Drawing Assist. To do so, open your S Pen to open up the recommend menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Tap Sketch to Image icon. Now draw something simple. Choose the webtoon effect. Tap Generate and wait for the result. When the result is ready, you will see option at the top of it. To save it to your gallery, tap download icon. And that's it. From a quick sketch to a fun webtoon art in seconds. It's super cool for doodle, comic lover, or just for fun. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.